Someone give it my own toe.
Nice, Lizzie. Clutch.
And then after that, can you do IFC?
Contributions from the peanut
Yes,
gallery.
I will. What time
Do
is
we
it?
have to do IFC tomorrow?
6:30.
Justin, then why are we?
You might, if it's like a deep
Thank you,
area, right? If you use tens, okay.
I don't believe in IFC.
Alright.
I'll go find one of those.
All right, need pads. Pads. No.
Come on, man.
Get the man some pads.
Is this gonna be a problem? A little one. There's no pads. Well, no, more in your head.
Use 10 pounds. Just kidding.
I'm knocking on your front door.
Justin, it's in a bag.
Someone else's pads?
What? You mean the bag? I'll go with Saturday. Are we gonna go through things first?
You guys ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
So bad for you guys.
Where is Bonnie?
Something about a cat.
It can't be any worse than practicum.
Right?
Oh god, that's so bad.
Okay. So, the paper says dexamethasone. What is that? Negative or positive?
Negative.
AIDS is negative.
AIDS is negative.
AIDS is negative. Bad AIDS. Okay. So you're gonna
And I'm HIV positive of that.
put. Okay. Okay. So you're gonna get dexamethasone
Yeah.
saline. Just put it on here. Okay. Saturate it. Put it on the site. Okay. Put the ground somewhere else, just like HVPC. Just put the ground somewhere distal or proximal to it. Okay. Okay. So if it's dexamethasone, it's negative, right? So what color do I want to put on the drug pad?
Black.
Black, because that's negative. You can always look at it and it's negative. Okay? It'll say this is negative. Negative, this is positive.
Oh, nice.
Okay? Alright. So, what are the three methods of the three mechanism of ionto?
Electromigration.
Yes.
Electrosmosis.
Beautiful.
We're like zombies.
Okay. So once I have everything hooked up, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. Okay. It's not turning on. Oh, no battery. Stupid Jimmy. Where's my battery?
Did you grab one without a battery?
Let's take all the batteries out of everything.
Oh yeah, this is the one where
That was just
Suki
put
wants you
it
to take the
more
battery.
behind because they're searching for the battery.
Breaking that shortwave diagram. There's only
Good evidence.
Okay,
take one of
I'm gonna turn it on, okay? So I'm all hooked up, I'm gonna turn it on, flip the switch, turn it on, okay? Dosage. Dosage is gonna be 40 to 80, okay? So just set it at 60.
You're on S right now?
I'm on S1, okay? S1 for channel 1,
Okay.
Yeah.
okay? Turn up the dosage by pressing up, turn it to whatever, turn it to 60, okay? So just keep in mind that you're using 60. 60 is a good medium in between, okay? So she says here, 2 to 20 millimeters deep for 40 to 80 milliamp minutes. The lower it is, the more superficial, the higher it is, the more deep, okay? It's deeper. Okay? So once we set the dosage for 60, we change it to S2, which is nothing, then P, okay? P is going to set the voltage. So,
Is that the current level?
oh, sorry, the current, yes. So the current is going to turn up like this. Now, the highest it goes is 4, okay?
But don't you want it?
But you don't want it, let's see.
What size
Yeah,
is
don't we have to do something about like the
have to do-
electrode size?
What's the
This
size?
is when you do the calculation, right?
Doesn't say the size.
Get a ruler.
Okay, what does this look like? Does it look like 4 centimeters?
squared.
4 centimeters, okay?
the only thing we're
So let's say 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters, my electrode size. Okay. What can the maximum current be?
0.5. Wait.
That's
Is
per
it-
minute. What can the maximum current be?
4.
2 milliamps.
Oh.
Yes. Because the maximum current is the current.
Point max.
The current that's safe is equal to the maximum current divided by electrode size.
Oh.
Okay? So the maximum current has to be set to 2. Right there. Make sense?
Yeah.
Can you do that again?
Sure.
Okay.
Sorry.
So we have we have the electrode size set at 4 centimeters squared, right? Okay. 4 centimeters squared. Now, what's the safe zone for Is this cathode or anode?
Cathode.
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 0.5.
Cathode is
Cathode,
0.5.
negative.
We don't want to go over 0.5, right?
Using 2 divided by 4.
So you're using
4 divided by 0.5 times 0.5.
So you're using 0.5 equals maximum current divided by 4. So what's that math?
Because you're trying to find
2.
Okay.
So if we were using an anode, we could go up all the way up to 4.
To 1. To 4, yeah.
To 4.
4 is
Okay.
from
Yeah.
the size
Does
of
that make sense to everyone? Okay.
and then
No? Let me explain it one more time.
times
Okay.
times 0.5.
But you don't have to. That's the max, right?
That's the max. Yeah, just don't go over.
Okay, never mind.
Sorry, per area.
Got it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Okay. Now what's interesting is you don't have to calculate that specifically. You can also set the treatment time. So based on the dose, what's the dose that we're using? 60
Milliamp
60
minutes.
Milliamps.
milliamps
Milliamp
minutes.
Milliamp minute.
Okay. Now, if you code here, if you press this circular button, what's going to change is this screen. So you see it? So,
Just,
you see it? Just keep it here.
keep right there.
Go closer. Zoom in. Zoom in.
Oh, just zoom in.
Okay. Look what happened when I press the circular button. It changes to minutes. Okay. So
It's a circular
On the
button.
inside.
There's only one circular button.
Don't
No.
press it.
just don't press it. Okay. You can set the time too, because what did we say for the dose? We said the dosage is equal to time times the amp, right? What's 2 times 30? 60, so that's 30. So we want it at 30 minutes. Current is 2 minutes. Oh, this is important too. No, this is important. You have to press this then, okay? Because if you're going to be documenting, you have to document the time that you're using it for. So you have to press the circular button to get to the time. Okay? Does that make sense?
I was gonna say.
It doesn't. It changes if you turn the knob. So it changes like that.
But does it change based off the other parameters that you set?
Wait.
So watch this. Watch this. If I change the time to 23 minutes, if I press the circular button again, that changes my dose.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
High.
That's too high now. Exactly.
Way to go, Casey.
Very good, Casey. Very good.
So it calculates it for you.
It calculates it for
Press the
you.
button like right now.
Press the button. That's what you have to document for the time. Okay?
Okay, nice.
Get those 3 points for documentation.
Carnitas.
I'm still on P. Okay. Now that everything's set, now that you have all the parameters set, okay? You have your current per minute or current minutes, and you have your time. Turn it to run, and it's gonna run. Okay? Now it's gonna be 0 for a few seconds, then it's gonna start going up. If you hear a beep, that's bad because there's no drug on here. Okay? If there was a drug, the number would start going up slowly. Okay?
Once you run, you don't have to press anything else.
No, just let it run.
R.
But it's gonna start beeping because there's no drug.
You're using saline. So.
Oh, so we'll set
How do I what?
Yes.
Turn it off, then just take out the electrodes.
Yeah,
Close the
it's just like set it up.
Okay.
Jimmy?